Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kat. Today we're unboxing the brand new blue iPhone 15 Plus. It is definitely giving that cloud blue feeling and a little bit white in certain lights, but I like how it is a nice blue tone around the edges and around the camera. If you guys are looking to upgrade your phone, this is definitely an amazing option starting at $799. It is definitely worth it for the camera alone. There are so many amazing new features that I outlined in my pink iPhone 15 review, so make sure to click here to go check that out. Which color would you guys choose? I'm definitely leaning more towards the pink. Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!